What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Google Pay on your Bolt app. So the first thing you want to ensure is that you need to ensure that the card is added into your wallet. So you want to go ahead and type in your wallet, and once you open up your wallet you will be able to see the cards there and you can add the cards to the wallet. Now for security purposes I will not be going into my wallet, but you get the general idea. Now, once you select where you want to go, I'm going to select a location here. You will see just above the green button, it's going to show a specific card, or it might say cash or whatever. But you can click there and switch the method of payment to Google Pay. And from there, once you click back and you select the taxi that you want to choose or the ride that you want, you will now have the option. Once you select the economy and it finds it, you'll be able to pay with Google Pay. It will pops up, it will ask you to most likely use your fingerprint, confirm the purchase, and you'll be able to use Google Pay successfully. Keep in mind that you want to ensure that the card that you want to use from the Google Pay is inside the Google Wallet. Now, you will also get an option once you select it to actually select the card from the Google Pay that you want. So it will not just select any card. You will have the option to select that specific card within the Google Pay. So if I select, for example, this option here, I can tap on that and you will see it's going to pop up and say, do I want to confirm the purchase, and so forth, so forth. And you'll be able to ensure that you select the confirm order and you'll be able to proceed with that. But that's how you can easily do it, guys. This is very easy and very simple.